Here we go. I can't believe it, but look at this. That's my car. That's my car. That is crazy as fuck. Jeez. This space is never open. Today it's finally open, and the car's, it ain't ready to drive, but we gonna pull it out. Sheesh. First time, so yeah. Dude, I can't believe this is my car. This is fucking crazy. I can't believe this is how my car looks. I don't have power steering fluid, so this is gonna be a pain in the ass, and it might sound like a clap car, but it doesn't look like a clap car no more. I also forgot that I have a welded diff. This car is beautiful. That far until somebody blocked me. Let's take a walk around. She gone. Yes, ma'am. Huh? All right. I mean, it's not. I've driven this car before, but first time driving, I don't even have a brake light in. I just wanted to see how low my driveway was, so when I pull out, see if I'd be scraping. But so far, so good. And I wanted to check if the tires were rubbing. And they're not. Got the 540 back. I miss the sound. I shouldn't go this far because I fucking don't have anything on the car. So let's just go ahead and make a turn. Oh God, is that the trans? Fuck, the car's falling apart. Dude, this car looks so good. It looks so good. I haven't taken it out. Oh fuck. I haven't taken it out of the stall. Jeez, this car looks budging wet. Like walking to it with the M Sport rear. Damn. This gives me motivation to finish it. I just been taking my time with this thing. It's my first time driving around the block, and I kind of want to show my mom it outside. So it's so sick though. Long time of waiting, bruv. this shift knob too. Look at the shift knob. It's a gnarly shift knob, right? But I got the stock steering wheel on right now. This is the one that's going in there. Okay, let's keep it going, shall we? Sorry, y'all. Yeah, I think my diff is whining, so I'm gonna have to pay attention to that later. Shout out to Dave. I still owe him for tires, but I got all 4 new tires, and you can hear the stick. I don't know if that's the tires rubbing or not, but I'm hearing a whining noise, like ee, 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 ee. Yeah, I think that's the diff. Outside? No. Okay, back in the stall we go. But I'm gonna just chill in the driveway so my moms can pull up and see the car outside chilling. My biggest concern was how fudging low this car is. So I was a bit worried, mate, if I was gonna get out of my driveway, but we seem to clear with no problem. Maybe not. Maybe if I don't go straight at it, you know, I go a little bit more angled just to make sure. Okay, please don't straight. We're good. We're good to go. Oi, someone fix that mirror. I already scratched the car, by the way. Alright, let's just get out and appreciate this car one more time before I put it back. Can't believe this is my car. No clear coat peeling. Jeez, guys, this is crazy. Shout out to Dave for the stands too. He helped me with that. Shout out to Dave, period. Shout out to Petroni for the Royals, Vintage Beamer for the paint, and all y'all motherfuckers that watch this video. I don't know when this is uploading, but I had to document this. This is beautiful. Look at the rear end, y'all. It's clapped. One major thing I am missing is these things. So, give me some more time, but we're not rubbing. Didn't pull no fender or nothing. Fitment on point. Let's fix these tires, see if I messed up the tires. Boy, we is golden. Oh, we're rubbing, but we're not messing them up. Yeah, we're just barely rubbing. Where my mom at? Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, whose man's?